It's cold. I have a headache. I'm injured. I'm busy. I'll go tomorrow. The season is over. I don't see any progress. I'm tired. I didn't get enough sleep. I'm not an athlete. I'm not motivated. And on and on and on. I will always have an excuse. If I don't have one, I could probably make one up. Deep down though, I know the truth. That uncomfortable truth lurking behind my excuses. It is always hard to go to practice. It is always hard to push myself beyond what I think are my limits. For one reason or another, it always seems like I have it harder than everyone else. But the truth, I know the truth. Truth is, it's harder not to have gone to practice. The day I'm not improving is the day I'm moving backwards. So tomorrow, I will regret not going, and I will be angry with myself. And that is the hardest. There is always room for improvement, even if I'm injured. I can always work out other parts of my body and even my mind. I will not let this one thing keep me from improving. In fact, I will use my headache or my cold or my injury to become even stronger and more resilient. Today, not tomorrow, I will become faster, I will become stronger, and I will jump higher.
Perfect. Perfect.
Swim fast.